Hello. So if you're facing these kinds of account restricted issue on your Facebook account, so we can provide you to this kinds of issue solution. For example, we can fix your ad account issue. Also, we can provide you a fresh verified ads manager. For example, I will show you something. That's our previous work. Wait, we have also this kinds of we can fix this kinds of issue. If your account was not verified, we can also provide new strong Facebook verified ad account. Then you can run your Facebook ads easily without any restriction. We also fix Facebook account lock issue. If your account was locked, we also fix those kinds of issue. And that's it. So if you need any kinds of Facebook issue related help, you can inbox me or contact us. Thank you.